The city of Copenhagen, located in Denmark, is a vibrant and culturally rich destination that attracts tourists from all over the world. Known for its stunning architecture, picturesque canals, and progressive urban planning, Copenhagen offers a unique blend of history, modernity, and sustainability. As the capital of Denmark, Copenhagen boasts a plethora of attractions. Travelers can explore iconic sites such as the historic Tivoli Gardens, the majestic Christiansborg Palace, and the picturesque coastal district of Nyhavn. The city is also home to world-renowned museums such as the National Museum of Denmark and the new Karlsberg Glyptothek. For those interested in the royal heritage, a visit to Amalienborg Palace is highly recommended. This elegant palace complex serves as the official residence of the Danish royal family and offers tours that provide insight into their fascinating history. In terms of tourist infrastructure, Copenhagen offers an excellent public transportation system, including buses, trains, and metro lines that make it easy to get around the city. In addition, there are plenty of accommodation options ranging from luxury hotels to cozy hostels to suit different budgets and preferences. Food lovers will be delighted by Copenhagen's culinary scene. The city is known for its innovative gastronomy and boasts numerous Michelin-starred restaurants, as well as food markets such as Tivoli, where visitors can sample local specialties. Whether you are interested in history, design, gastronomy, or simply enjoy the laid-back Scandinavian atmosphere, a visit to Copenhagen promises an unforgettable experience filled with charm and beauty.